Home Remedies presents What happens to your body when you drink raisin water daily? Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and today's video is for everyone who is looking for a natural detox for the liver. I will share with you a very easy remedy to prepare for this by the end of the video that will give you amazing results within 2 days of use. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get complete information, and without any more wait, let's start. Raisins and raisin water is a century-old remedy to cure heart and liver-related disorders. Studies and people's experiences of regularly eating raisins prove it's a real superfood with a lot of health benefits. I have done a video on that before. I will post the link in the description for your reference. Raisins have numerous health benefits. It purifies blood, improves hemoglobin levels, fights aging, stops hair fall, regulates blood pressure, promotes bone health, while being excellent for digestive system. All these benefits get multiplied when raisin water is consumed every day. This water is known to stimulate certain processes in the liver that help in detoxification process. You can feel a change in your digestion and energy levels after taking this water for 4 days. Raisin water is loaded with minerals and vitamins in large quantities. Plus, it also gives you the benefits of raisin, and that too with lowered sugar content. As we all know that raisins are sweet. It contains antioxidants which boost the disease-resisting ability of the body. What else can we ask for? Now let us see some of the health benefits it offers. A natural source of antioxidants. Raisins are among the best sources of antioxidants present in nature. Basically, they are just dried grapes. Grapes which are rich in bioflavonoid, which strengthens your body's defense system and also protects the body from various free radicals. Helps detox the body. Kidney and liver are one of the most essential organs present in our body, which cleanse our blood and removes all the heavy metals and toxins present in the body. But due to some bad food habits and consumption of fatty foods, these functions are inhibited. Consumption of raisin water can solve these problems very effectively. Improves digestion. By drinking raisin water, you are able to totally purify your bloodstream as well as improve your liver function and also digestion. It helps in segregating all the stomach acids, which helps in absorbing the nutrients better and process the food effectively. These benefits could be noticed 2 days after the consumption of raisin water. Choosing raisins. The best raisins are large-bodied, plump, thin-skinned and seedless. Always choose the dark-colored raisins for making raisin water because black raisins are sun-dried grapes without any add-on chemicals. On the other hand, yellow raisins are dipped in sulfur dioxide to retain their color. This is harmful to your health and therefore should be avoided. It is advisable to check labeling when buying all dried fruit and avoid sulfite preserved food. How to store raisins? To prolong the shelf life of raisins, put in a sealed container and refrigerate them to prevent them from becoming dried out. Raisins will be the most fresh if consumed within 6 months. All these health benefits can be availed just by drinking raisin water daily. You will start to see the difference within 2 days of its consumption. So, now that we know how beneficial this is, we want to know the steps to make it and use it right. How to make the raisin water. Making raisin water is extremely easy. Here is the step-by-step procedure of making raisin water. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 400 ml, 150 grams of raisins. Preparation: boil the water in a pan and soak the raisins in it overnight. Next day, the raisins should be removed from the water and the water should be reheated. Then with an empty stomach, just after waking up, the water should be drunk, either hot or cold according to the preferences. Wait for 30 to 35 minutes before having your breakfast. Do this continuously for 4 days and you will start to see the difference within 2 days of its consumption. Cut down on sugar as raisins carry natural sugars. Just give it a try. It is a natural remedy with proven benefits.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.